Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, halogen headlamps, power sun moonroof, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Come see the car for yourself.